Youri Tielemans responds to question on replacing Gini Wijnaldum at Liverpool. Jurgen Klopp is set to be in the market for a central midfielder after Gini Wijnaldum completed his Liverpool departure, joining PSG on a free transfer after his contract expired. Youri Tielemans has claimed he is not focusing on any transfer speculation as rumours of a potential move to Liverpool continue. The Leicester City midfielder enjoyed a fine Premier League season, capping off his campaign with a wonder strike in the FA Cup final at Wembley. He has since been touted as a possible replacement for Gini Wijnaldum after the Netherlands international left the club at the end of the season. Jurgen Klopp is likely to be in the market for a central midfield player as Liverpool look to return to title contention next term. However, Tielemans poured cold water on any links with Liverpool, suggesting until the end of Euro 2020, he doesn't care. That's really none of my business right now. Let the journalists speak. They undoubtedly have a lot to do with that, he said in Belgium's pre-match press conference. But I don't care about that. All I can do is make sure that I am as good as possible on the pitch. Tielemans has 2 years remaining on his deal at the King Power, but reiterated he has no desire to discuss his future until Belgium have completed their tournament. He added, "I don't think about it. I am focusing on the Euros. I don't listen to transfer rumors. No matter how much I am valued, it doesn't change anything for me. I just want to make the best Euros I can." The Foxes are hoping to tie the 24-year-old to a new contract, with discussions believed to be ongoing. On those talks, Brendan Rodgers said last month, "There's no latest, I've got nothing more to add to that." He's contracted to the club and he's a player I love working with. We'll see what happens over the summer. Tielemans' Belgium take on Denmark in Copenhagen having won their first group game. It promises to be an emotional affair as the Danes return to action following Christian Eriksen's cardiac arrest in their opener against Finland. Leicester keeper Kasper Schmeichel was lauded for the role he played in the immediate aftermath of Eriksen's collapse. And Tielemans has revealed he has been in contact with his club teammates. "I sent a message to Kasper Schmeichel to wish him good luck," Tielemans said. "It's hard for everyone. It's sad but everyone knows what happened and we're not going to go back over it. I'm just going to say a big thumbs up to the medical teams for their work. It will be emotional. You can't forget what happened in a few days. You can never really forget it. I know the mentality of Kasper. He is a warrior who is definitely going to want to win after what happened.